welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
Finally in our series is the letter Z as in zebra. And let's begin. I am Canadian, so that's the way we enunciate it up here. So I don't ever say Z because it doesn't sound right to me because I'm Canadian. So we're going to do the letter Z next using a 4.5mm size G crochet hook today. Let's start off with the slip knot and let's chain 16. So let's count those together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's begin row number 1. So we're going to be creating natural bends that will happen. So we're going to go second chain from the hook, turn it to the back side of the chain to do the back hump, and it'll look nicer. So you'll do that one, and then you'll do the next 3 chains. So let's count those. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to skip the next chain. So skip that. That'll create a bend, and you're going to single crochet the next 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then it says to skip the next chain and then just single crochet the remaining all the way to the end. So the skipping of these chains allowed this to bend a little bit better. So it kind of looks like a sticky thing at this moment. This is the starting strand you will be, this is the strand that you use to sew it down, sorry. So just make sure that stays longer. And what you're looking at here is that this will form the letter Z. Okay. And once you shape it and pin it, it'll be more convincing. Okay, and then you're going to take the starting strand that you started with, and I'd recommend that you just turn the Z over and get it to the back side. Okay, and then just going back and forth a total of 3 times is ideal. And then you can safely cut that down, and then you can pin it down to your project and then sew it into position. And remember, on the playlist that we have that information so that you can do that as well. So turning this back around, and you'll have this happening with the letter Z.